So welcome to the channel. So we're at the old people's home run, or elderly people's home run, as they say. And yeah, there's a few bikes have turned up. So let's see who turned up. This is Alan's Busa with, as normal, lots of gold on it. Gold. Oh yeah, gold tinsel. The only thing wrong with it is it got a yellow and black helmet. Oh, and gold foot pegs.
And forks.
It's going to have gold forks soon. And it's got orange headlight. But yeah, it's quite a decent bike actually. And then we got the ZX6R. It's a nice looking bike in green.
That's it.
It's a decent little bike. Then we got the beautiful Yamaha Phaser with all the trimmings all over it. Because there's some people that just thinks, well, I'd like to trim my bike up. So today, who's turned up? We got who have we got today? So we got Mike have turned up today.
Yeah.
We have Alan have turned up today. Mark have turned up today. Sorry, I didn't get your name.
Dave.
Dave have turned up today. And Reese have turned up today.
And you?
Oh yeah, and me. I just like good looking, aren't I? So here's all the bikes. Oh yeah, look at this trike. Look at this trike. What a beautiful trike this is. Look at that beautiful trike. That's see look, even Father Christmas loves the trike. He loves it.